How to change Roblox keyboard control. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change Roblox keyboard control. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Roblox Player in your device. Once you have opened up Roblox in your device, make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. After that, select the game that you want to play on Roblox. Click on play and you have to wait a while until the game is loaded in your device. Once the game is loaded, navigate to top right corner, click on this Roblox icon from the top left corner. From this pop-up, head towards the settings tab. Under settings, there is a movement mode. So from here, you could change your keyboard control. Currently, I have click to move. If you want to change it, click on this next arrow. And from here, you could switch to default keyboard. If you don't want default keyboard, you could go also keyboard and mouse. So from here, select your preferred control, whether you want to go with keyboard and mouse, or if you want to go with the default keyboard or click to move. So in this way, you could change the keyboard control on Roblox. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.